all the flowers in my garden. Never look.
Hello and welcome to this week's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shiro. For today we shall be making fish and chips. Hope you enjoy. I started by frying the chips, and when they were ready, I placed them in an oven tray and then put them in the preheated oven so that they don't get cold. We'll start by placing 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour in a bowl. To that we'll add half a teaspoon of fish masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a little bit of salt, half a lemon juice that is. You'll add the milk in small amounts so that you end up with batter, which is the mixture of the right consistency that is not too wet nor too floury. An alternative way of making the batter would be replacing the self-raising flour with all-purpose flour, and you put in a small amount of baking powder. You can replace the milk with Tasker, or you can just use water. You then add in a small amount of parsley to that and continue mixing. The batter mixture is done. We are then going to dip the fish fillet in the batter. However, we forgot to dip the fish fillets first in a nicely beaten egg before dipping it in the batter, because the egg helps the batter to stick on the fish. You will then dip the fish in hot boiling oil. Sorry about the mess, we had a problem with this specific oil because, as you will see later on, the butter came off the fish and the oil becomes foamy and it's spilled. This is how it would have turned out if we had no problem with the oil, but this is how it turned out. All in all, this was yummy and I hope you enjoyed today's video.